In this guide, you'll learn how to fix character AI not loading or stuck on loading screen. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between networks, cellular data, and Wi-Fi. Next, force close the app and relaunch it. If you're using the browser version, close the browser, relaunch it, and navigate to the website of Character AI and log in. Temporary bugs can sometimes cause the app to freeze on the loading screen. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Character AI. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. An outdated version of the app have compatibility issues that prevent it from loading properly. Next up, sign out and sign in back to your account. You can also test Character AI on different browser or device to determine whether the issue is related to your account or your current setup. VPNs, proxy services, and certain browser extensions can also interfere with Character AI. Disable them temporarily and try loading the platform again. In some cases, changing networks can immediately fix the problem. If none of these fixes work, contact Character AI support. For that, navigate to this option, Report an Issue. Now click on this drop down and select the option, Something is not working. Again, click on this drop down and select the option, Report a Bug. Now you will need to fill in all these details and submit a ticket. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.